Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 60. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this little makeup haul, please like this video and please hit the subscribe button so to jump right into it. Hey everyone, so I thought I would hop on really quick and do a little makeup haul with you guys that I picked some stuff up from Synergens and I wanted to show you. So the first thing I got was this, it's a face wash from Synergens, and it's brand new packaging. It's for normal to dry skin, and so there is a quiz that you guys can do to take to find out what your skin type is and what you would need. So I'm definitely doing a tutorial on this. Man, it's been a crazy morning. I just did my makeup off camera because I wanted to bring some other videos to you guys. And I had them planned out all in my head. Then I couldn't find any of the stuff. Some of the stuff I found for the haul, mostly it's all there. But I was going to show you how to deep clean your brushes using this amazing tool. And I can't find it. It's just gone. I don't know what I did with it. So the next thing is I waited to do this haul for you guys because some of the things that I got are sold out. So first thing I got was my favorite thing, black eyeliner pencil. This is the black Make Sense or Eye Sense Make Sense. It's from Synergens. It's smudge-proof, waterproof. I will have a link down below so that you guys can shop any of this stuff. And once you click that link, it's going to take you to another page, a second page where it says my distributor's name. There you will scroll down. That's perfectly fine. It says my distributor's name. You will scroll down to shop now. Then it comes up with all these bubbles on the third page, right? So you click on eyes or lips, you grab what you want, then you go to checkout. And right before you click that checkout button, there's a little box that says preferred customer, preferred kiss and tell customer. Click that, you get 10% off all your purchases all year round, which is amazing. And if you spend $100, it helps me grow and bring products to you, and you get free shipping, free samples, the products. You spend $150, you get your products, free shipping, and samples. We don't know what the gift is. You get a gift with $150. We don't know what it is. Just like you'll be surprised. But you need to click that little box because that's the way I get credit for it, and I can bring things to you guys. The next thing is I haven't got a new lip gloss from Lip Sense in a while. So, if you haven't heard, Synergens is doing all of the zodiac signs or whatever. I'm not really into that, but this month, the month of April, is Aries, and I love the color of this, and I would be definitely testing it out for you guys. So, and it's very pigmented. It's not going to last as long as Lip Sense. You can actually wear it over your Lip Sense color, but it has to be a lip Lip Sense lip gloss. A mouthful. And you have to put gloss on first with your Lip Sense blot off and then use this. But you can use it on your own. It has vitamin E and shea butter to hydrate and moisturize your lips. So, yeah. And the very first product I ever got from my distributor and my friend was a lip gloss. And when I bought it, went home, came home, used it, and like instantly I could tell a huge difference. There's no wax in it like most chapsticks from the store, so you don't have to keep reapplying it because the wax does something to your lips. I'm not sure. So the second thing is I got this little, I guess, a makeup cleaner thing, pretty cool, pink one. So now I'm going to show you this little thing right here that I got. This is the Miss USA Lip Sense Lip Gloss Dual. This sold out twice. That's why I couldn't bring it to you, couldn't wear it because it was sold out, and I didn't think it would be fair to everyone who watched it and was like, I want to buy that, you know? So here it is. I'm definitely going to do a tutorial on it, so stay tuned because there are some things. But Synergens had their annual seminar, and this lip dual with sold out colors is in the permanent line. So they brought back Kiss My Sass, which I usually wear, but I say it's sold out. It's not sold out. Milk Rose came back, Velvet, and Rose Court. So there's like 3 of them I have not wore ever that are new to me, and I got 2 of them. So I might order another one in the coming months to show you guys. So the next thing is I ordered this because I don't know if you guys know, but about 7-8 years ago, I something happened to my hair, and I had one side is shorter than the other, and it took a long time to grow back, and in February it started doing it again. So it could be my iron's low, so I'm taking biotin, and I'm actually doing a video for you guys, but I haven't posted it yet. But Synergens has a hair serum that will strengthen your hair and grow your hair. So if your hair is really bad and you want thickening, there we go. This is really hard to get open, and I will definitely do a tutorial on it. Sorry. Okay, this is bubble wrap. So it's white, and it says hair recovery, strengthening, thickening, hair serum, and there's something else in there, but this is what it looks like. So hopefully it will thicken my hair and grow my hair. Synergens also has shampoo and hairspray that will grow your hair, I guess. I'm not sure. This is new to me, so I will be definitely testing it out for you guys. But that is all I have for you guys. But I will insert pictures of everything that I got. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell before you leave so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.